Welcome back to another episode of Bob Montego. Um, if I had a penny for every time I heard someone living abroad said they have been guilted by their relatives back home into giving them something, I would actually be a rich person. Um, it is safe to say that wherever you're from abroad, whether it's Jamaica, Nigeria, Ghana, Trinidad, Tobago, Barbados, doesn't matter. It is safe to say that where you live abroad is actually, um, a bigger economy than where you're from. So I'm not naive to that. However, Jamaicans, for example, who struggle, don't just struggle because Jamaica is a smaller economy to, let's say, the United States. They struggle for many different reasons. One of the major reasons I can tell you is that Jamaicans are prepared to do in the United States or Canada or England what they will not do in Jamaica. And that there sets up a dynamic for not doing as well or even failing. Um, the other thing is the value of education placed in Jamaica, for example. Again, I'll use Jamaica as an example. The value of education placed in Jamaica by many adults or working age people is just not as great as when they actually, those very same people get to the United States. And what I mean by that, I have heard countless number of times where adult males, for example, in Jamaica, well, when you ask them, well, why don't you go back to school? Even when government is providing free education, free training for them, they will tell you, me can't bother with that, man. School a pick the business, me a big man. Yet they don't have the necessary skills to actually provide for themselves or their families. So education is actually one of the big issues that creates this disparity between what you can earn in Jamaica and what you can earn in the United States. Another thing is the difference in work values, in work ethics. In Jamaica, it is no secret that a guy will get up off the job, grab his bag, and just leave the job simply because a manager speaks to him in a manner that he interprets to be disrespectful or not entitled to doing. You and I know that the fact that you feel disrespected about something doesn't necessarily mean someone disrespected you. That's how you feel because maybe because you're too proud. So that is something that can naturally happen. Another thing, and I'm gonna say that this is perhaps the biggest reason when people travel from, let's say, Jamaica to go abroad, they are way more willing to reinvent themselves, meaning leave some of their values that don't work back in Jamaica or back where they come from and acquire new values that will allow them to move forward. We're not talking about changing yourselves necessarily, but just reinventing uh, uh, yourself in the sense of what you need to succeed. Because we can succeed anywhere we go in the world. Anywhere we go in the world, we can succeed. We just need to provide, we just need to be the best version of ourselves we can, wherever we are. Thanks for watching Bob Montego. If you haven't yet done so, please like, share, subscribe, and tell someone about my videos. And please click the notification bell so you can know when videos are being uploaded. Thanks again for watching.